Hi LifterLMS users. This quick video is regarding our latest upgrade of the course import plugin. Now, apart from CSV, you can also import courses from Google Sheet, simply by adding the link of the sheet in your WordPress site. Isn't it great? Stay with me and watch how easy it is to import hundreds of courses into LifterLMS in literally under 2 minutes from your Google Sheet. Let's get into it. Our upgraded LifterLMS CSV courses importer just got a major upgrade. You can now import a full course outline straight from Google Sheets. Same familiar template. Whether you're onboarding a client, migrating content, or planning a whole catalog in a spreadsheet first, this saves hours and keeps your team in a tool they already use. Google Sheets. Once the plugin is installed and activated, go to the admin sidebar and click the LifterLMS Courses Importer menu. You'll land on this clean import page. Step 1. Get the template. In WordPress, open Courses, LifterLMS Courses Importer. On the right, under Template, click Download Template, CSV. That's your column map. Same powerful import engine as CSV. Courses, sections, lessons, and your media URLs, aligned with the official template we include. Step 2. Build your sheet. Open Google Sheets and either paste the header row from the template or import the CSV once and then edit in Sheets. Each data row is one lesson line. Repeat course and section names on each row, just like the sample. Put full URLs for images and videos where the template expects them. Step 3. Share correctly. In Google Sheets, Share. Under General Access, choose anyone with the link. Viewer. Copy that sharing mindset. The site only needs to read the sheet, not edit it. Step 4. Open the right tab. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, click the tab you want to import first. The link in your browser should match that tab so the correct data is pulled. Step 5. Paste and import. Back in WordPress, click the Google Sheets Import tab. Paste your normal Google Sheets URL from the address bar, the one that starts with docs.google.com and includes your spreadsheet ID. Click Import from Google Sheets. You'll see the progress bar move and a log of each line as it's processed. When it hits 100%, you're done. No full page reload, so you can stay on the same screen and verify results in LifterLMS right after. No manual work, no copy-paste. Clean import in under 2 minutes. This update is about speed, clarity, and teamwork. Plan in Sheets, import in one click, see exactly what happened. If you're managing multiple courses or clients, that time adds up fast. This is the kind of feature that pays for itself on the first big import. Get the plugin, download the template, and try your first Google Sheet import today. If you need the template aligned to your process or want bulk onboarding, reach out. We're here to help you scale LifterLMS without the busy work. LifterLMS CSV Courses. Importer, from spreadsheet to structured courses in minutes.